Good morning, families and friends. See, this morning our topic is finishing what you start. Joshua 22, 1-8. See, have you ever noticed how easy it is to start something with passion, but how hard it is to finish it with the same energy? Maybe a new job, a new relationship, a new spiritual goal. See, we begin strong, but somewhere along the way, the fire fades. See, Joshua 22, it introduces us to three tribes, Reuben, Gad, and half tribe of Manasseh, who teach us a powerful lesson about commitment. See, years earlier, they had a promise, or they made a promise. So they said the following: we will cross the Jordan and help our brothers fight until everyone receives their inheritance. And they did, not for weeks, not for months, but for years, through battles, exhaustion, uncertainty, and sacrifice. And when the mission was finally accomplished, Joshua looked at them and said, "You kept your word. You stayed loyal. You obeyed God." See, in a world where promises are broken as easily as they are made, these tribes reminds us that faithfulness still matters. See, they teach us that commitment is not measured by enthusiasm at the beginning, but by endurance at the end. See, Joshua then gives them one final instruction. He says, "Take careful heed to love the Lord, walk in his ways, keep his commandments." See, in other words, don't let past faithfulness make you comfortable. Let it make you consistent. So here's the truth. You don't need more strength. You need more steadiness. See, you don't need more emotion. You need more endurance. You don't need to start faster. You need to finish faithfully. So today, ask yourself, what promises did I make to God, or to my family, to myself? And what would it look like if I finished it with the same passion I had when I began? See, because God doesn't reward those who start well. He rewards those who stay faithful until the mission is completed. God bless.